Welcome to Chilika Lake, Odisha's crown jewel and India's largest coastal lagoon. Spanning over 1,100 square kilometers, this breathtaking expanse is a sanctuary for nature's wonders. Every year, Chilika hosts over 160 species of migratory birds, transforming the lake into a vibrant tapestry of colors and sounds. Flocks from Siberia, the Caspian Sea, and beyond find their winter refuge here, painting the skies with their graceful presence. Manikapatna, a small village in the Krishna Prasad block, sits at the estuary where Chilika meets the Bay of Bengal. Local folklore tells the story of Manika Golani, a milkmaid who once sold curd to Lord Jagannath and Lord Balabhadra, who were disguised as soldiers. The village is named after her, with Manikapatna deriving from a combination of Manika and Patna, meaning village in the local dialect. Below the surface, Chilika's brackish waters are alive with a rich variety of marine life, sustaining local fisheries and communities. Among its hidden treasures are the elusive Erowadi dolphins, whose rare and captivating appearances underscore the lake's thriving and healthy ecosystem. Chilika Lake is more than a natural wonder. It's a living, vibrant ecosystem where land and water converge in harmony. Within this remarkable sanctuary, life flourishes, including the unique Chilika buffalo, a creature as distinctive as the lake itself. Odisha is home to 12 registered breeds of livestock and poultry, but the Chilika buffalo stands out as a unique gem. This indigenous breed, as ancient as the land it roams, is predominantly found in the regions surrounding Chilika Lake. Adapted to the marshy conditions, these buffaloes display extraordinary resilience, wading through the lake's waters in search of food. What makes the Chilika buffalo truly special is its ability to thrive in both saline and freshwater marshes, wading through the lake in search of aquatic plants. Their daily routine is a testament to their independence, venturing out for grazing and returning to the village on their own. After spending the day and night in the lake, these buffaloes come back in the morning to drink fresh water and provide rich, creamy milk. This natural rhythm not only reflects their adaptability but also ensures the quality and abundance of the milk they produce. For the local communities, the Chilika buffalo is more than just livestock, it is a vital part of their daily lives. These buffaloes produce milk that is notably richer and creamier than that of many other breeds, and it is recognized for its higher content of omega 3 fatty acids. This milk significantly contributes to the livelihood of locals. A recent study by the National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources highlights the remarkable qualities of Chilika buffalo milk and curd. Research has shown that curd made from Chilika buffalo milk remains fresh and viable for up to 7 days at room temperature, unlike curd from Chilika cross Murrah buffaloes, which spoils within the same period under similar conditions. The preparation of Chilika curd is unique, traditionally made in bamboo leaf containers. The study also reveals that Chilika curd boasts higher microbial diversity and contains important probiotic strains. Additionally, this curd contains a variety of beneficial metabolites, including acetate, fumarate, threonine, and valine, which are present in varying concentrations, which contribute to its enhanced nutritional and health benefits. Beyond their dairy contributions, Chilika buffaloes play a crucial role in agriculture. They are used for plowing fields, making them indispensable to the farming community. Their versatility and contributions extend far beyond dairy, underpinning the economic and cultural fabric of the region's livelihoods. Despite their significance, Chilika buffaloes are under threat and population is declining. Expanding agriculture, shifting climatic patterns, and the rise of prawn farming in the region have led to significant habitat loss. Additionally, the introduction of the Murrah breed into this territory has resulted in breed dilution, further endangering the Chilika buffalo's pure lineage. According to the Breed Watch List 2022 by the National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, the Chilika buffalo is now categorized as vulnerable. Urgent conservation efforts are essential to safeguard this breed, which is deeply woven into the cultural and ecological fabric of Odisha, ensuring its survival for future generations. The Chilika buffalo is more than just a breed, it's a living testament to the harmony between man, animal, and nature. Preserving this unique breed is essential to maintaining the ecological balance of Chilika Lake and upholding the rich cultural legacy of Odisha for future generations.